Hi there, in this review I'm going to be taking a look at the Nanoleaf Essentials bulb. This is the Nanoleaf Essentials A60. This light bulb works with Google Assistant as well as Apple HomeKit. It's got 16 million colours, you can set schedules, and because this is an LED, this light bulb is very efficient. Here's the box that this light bulb arrives in. You get this little card which comes with a barcode, and you can use this barcode to scan, and then it'll help you pair the light bulb. This bulb is about the same size and shape as a regular light bulb. The light bulb that I have comes with pins, but you can also get this as a screw, and it's the same bulb just with a different light fitting. The shape of this light bulb is a little bit different to a standard bulb, and it comes with all these straight edges. I'm not sure this will have much of an impact on the light that comes out of the bulb, but it's definitely a little bit different. There is a warning on the side here which says do not use with standard dimmers. This is the case with all of these LED smart bulbs. They're not designed to be used with traditional dimmers. It won't work and it can damage the bulb. You can still dim these bulbs, but it has to be done in the app rather than using a traditional dimmer. You will need to download the app to use all of the features of this bulb, and the app that you'll need is called Nanoleaf Essential Series. You can sign in to the app using your Google account, or you could create your own account to manage this bulb. Pick your bulb from the selection of bulbs in the app, and then you want to click on pair. I was presented with two different options on how to pair this bulb, but actually for me, only one of these worked. I tried to scan the barcode, but unfortunately for some reason this didn't work for me. I had to manually enter in the code, but after I had done that, the bulb paired fairly easily. I was prompted to do a firmware update, which took a couple of minutes, and then the bulb should be up and running. I did have some issues with connectivity, which can sometimes be an issue with smart bulbs, and I've got really good Wi-Fi here, and I've tested a whole bunch of smart bulbs, and this one for some reason seems to struggle to stay connected, and it'll sort of jump in and out of states of being connected. Often I'll open up the app and the app will say connecting. After a couple of minutes, maybe it'll be connected. Really, what you want is you want the app to connect straight away. I don't really know why it takes this long to establish a connection. It does say on the box for this bulb that you can increase the reliability by using this with a thread-enabled router. I don't think that most people buying a smart bulb are going to go out and buy a new router just so that it works with their smart bulb. Most of the time, after a minute or two, the light bulb does start working, but there's definitely room for improvement here, in my opinion. Let's have a look at some of the things that this light bulb can do in the app. In basic mode, you can change things like the brightness or the color. In scene mode, there is a bunch of predetermined scenes, or you can create your own. You can set favorites for these as well for commonly used scenes. A couple of cool scenes you can do are starlight and also northern lights, which is really just a rotation of colors. Now let me show you how this light bulb compares with another popular smart bulb. This is the Lifx Mini. I'll show you these bulbs side by side so that you can compare the quality of the bulb.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it all, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart.
I can certainly see the appeal for this light bulb. If you already have other Nanoleaf products, you'd be able to control all of your lighting in one app, which is definitely convenient. I found the software to be intuitive and fairly easy to use. I forgot to mention that in the app, you can also set schedules, and you can set the light to change its color based on the time of day. This does work well as long as the light bulb stays connected to your Wi-Fi. What do you think about the Nanoleaf Essentials bulb? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.